Gently close your eyes and take a deep, slow breath in. And as you exhale, allow your body to begin releasing any tension. Take another deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then slowly let it out, feeling the weight of your body sink into the surface beneath you. Allow each breath to bring a wave of calm into your body, letting go of the stresses you may be carrying. With each inhale, feel your body filling with a sense of ease. And with each exhale, release anything you don't need to hold on to right now. We'll take a few moments here to connect with the breath, creating space for relaxation to settle in. Now, let's begin to relax the body completely, starting at the top of your head. Imagine a warm, gentle wave of relaxation washing over your scalp, softening your forehead, and releasing any tension in your temples. With each breath, feel this wave moving down, relaxing your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Allow your face to soften and let go. Next, focus on your neck and shoulders. We often carry so much tension here. With your next breath, feel this warm wave flowing through, releasing any tightness and allowing your shoulders to drop. Let them become heavy and relaxed. Now, feel the wave move down through your arms, into your elbows, wrists, and all the way to your fingertips. Each breath helps your arms feel heavier and more at ease. Notice how the muscles begin to soften as you let go of any tension. Bring your awareness to your chest and heart space. As you breathe in, imagine a sense of openness expanding through your chest. With every exhale, release any tightness or anxiety. Feel the wave of relaxation move down your back, gently easing the muscles along your spine. Now, allow this relaxation to flow into your abdomen. Let your stomach soften and feel your breath moving effortlessly through your body. Picture the wave moving further down into your hips, thighs, and knees. As it reaches your calves, ankles, and feet, imagine all the tension melting away. Your entire body is now enveloped in this wave of warmth and relaxation. Take a few moments here, allowing yourself to sink even deeper into this state of calm. As your body relaxes, bring your attention back to your breath. Notice its natural rhythm. There's no need to control it. Simply observe. Feel the cool air as you breathe in, and the warmth as you breathe out. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into stillness. If thoughts or worries arise, acknowledge them without judgment and imagine them drifting away like clouds in the sky. Return your focus to the breath, letting it guide you into a deeper state of calm. With every inhale, fill your body with peace, and with every exhale, release any lingering tension. We'll take a few moments of silence now, letting the breath carry you deeper into relaxation. Now, I invite you to visualize yourself in a peaceful, serene place. It could be a quiet beach with gentle waves, a lush green forest with sunlight filtering through the trees, or perhaps a tranquil meadow filled with the scent of flowers. Picture this place vividly, noticing every detail, the sounds, the scents, and the colors around you. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you completely. Each breath connects you deeper with this peaceful environment, absorbing its calm and tranquility. With each inhale, you draw in the peace around you, and with each exhale, you let go of any remaining stress. As you walk or sit in this space, feel yourself becoming lighter and more at ease. Imagine your body and mind fully merging with this peaceful energy. Allow the soothing sounds and sights of this place to wash over you, creating a sense of deep relaxation and connection. We'll spend a few minutes here, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in this place of peace. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the air entering your body, bringing with it a renewed sense of energy and calm. Begin to notice the sensations in your body, the lightness and ease that have settled in. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the surface beneath you. As you start to come back, take a moment to express gratitude for this time you've taken for yourself and for the sense of peace you've created within. Know that this feeling of calm is always within you, and you can return to it whenever you need. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of relaxation with you into the rest of your day.